recipe, some pepper soup recipe. Yeah, and I use this tilapia fish and just natural ingredients, no spices, no more spices. Okay, I use like red pepper, tomatoes and onions and just salt and maggi. Just simple, but guys, you need to try this out. This natural recipe, like simple and yummy. Those of you who are just watching my video for the first time, you highly welcome. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Back to back subscribers. You know how I love you. And guys, you must do this in your home. Make sure after blending your tomatoes, onions, pepper all together until the sour taste goes out, okay? And then put your fish. I didn't document all of it, but part of it, so I'm explaining it now. It's hot. So hot. The next stuff I'll be using this on is rice. Guys, don't forget there's no oil. There's no oil. Single oil attached to this. No oil. The taste of this food is so yummy. Just go have yours in your home and take me later, guys. This is so good. This pepper is so hot. But guys, you know fish. Making a fish pepper soup, of course, there must be pepper to complete the recipe. There must be pepper. And as you guys know, me eat pepper a lot. So guys, I will say, as you know, M-I-M-I, me, Alice,